Well then. Oh wait! I got the checkpoint when nobody was left! Oh my god, that's so dumb. That's so stupid! They left the checkpoints in. Like, you can get them multiple times. So because there's a checkpoint there and one just back there, I could go back and forth. Oh my god, that's so stupid. I love it. So I could kill one guy, go back, then come back. Do you get what I mean? It's brilliant. But I'm gonna try it by flipping around like a lunatic. Come on, die! It's that guy that's in the way. Okay, yeah, I got a health upgrade again. Really quickly. I did it! Checkpoint? There we go! We're doing it, baby! Ugh! They've been watching me.
I believe it is a laboratory of some sort.
Why were they watching me? What are they doing, the creeps? Why am I... Oh, okay, what was the point in that? Drink it! What? What is it?
Messes with me like this. We must
okay. That happened. Sure, self-destruct. Oh my god, what did I get now? Crystalex boots. Okay. Whee! That looks gross. I know it's metal, but I look at a tube and I think sewers, and it's brown. So, really, right now, there's no music. It's kind of weird. Just gonna point that out. It's very weird. So, if you don't mind, adding some music, please. Add some funky beats. Oh my god. This is crazy. This is such a strange... I don't like this. I don't like this at all. Look how many there are. What am I even meant to do to, like, prevent them from getting close to him? Okay. I just had to take the hits. Stupidly. Okay, I gotta continue point. That's all good with me. No! Why? Why did you do such a thing? There we go. Alright, now what? Oh, there's a lock. Why are all the doors locked? It's like this is a lair or something, a secret laboratory. Ow, that was a bomb. I thought it might be a switch. But I couldn't tell because the camera... Ow! Can I smack these? Yeah, you can smack them. So I should have done that. I tried it! Now I know. Now I know everything. Ow. I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. Gonna die. Oh my god, there's so much crap going on here. With no music to back it up. Did I get hit? What the hell? Oh! I fixed the music, guys! Huh! Oh, god damn it. Oh, really? If I have to do that lock again, that's stupid. Wow, that's weird that I fixed the music like that. Okay, cool, I don't have to do the lock. Alright, let's throw one of these bad boys in there. And then... switcheroo. Ow. Get out of here! Get out of here! Get the... Oh god, I don't want none of this! This is crazy! How are you meant to dodge all this? That's a missile coming right in my face. Ow. Trying to get their shields with this. Hopefully. Like the robots, hopefully being on the floor it should get them. Yeah! Yeah, my plan kind of worked. I got one of them. Just gotta avoid being hit. I got them both. I did it. My plan worked. Come on. Yay. Yay. That was really cool. Wait, is that my ship? Is that actually my ship? Oh, it is. Oh, I was going to go into that other room where the door opened. Something's gonna happen.
Explode. We must leave now. Here it is. Luna's last entry.
The test
Yeah, what ship?
Emperor Otto. I'm headed to the city with the
Otto?
Excellent. Are you sure the contents are perfect?
That voice is super familiar.
We created one subject and it took 26 of our best warriors to destroy it. How are things coming on your project?
But it's destroyable.
Planted the fake evidence. Quark's
What?
weak mind is so easy to manipulate.
Well, we all knew that. That was like obvious.
Delivery is completed. Luna out.
Who the hell is this Luna?
Coordinates.
She's Quark. Just saying. No, that was Ratchet Clank 3's thing, wasn't it? No, Ratchet Clank 2's thing. Yeah, it was a bad guy the whole time, but it was actually Quark, right? I think. If I'm not going crazy, I probably am going crazy, because you know me. I forget things. I forget a lot of things. Right, we're here doing a thing. It looks like it's another one of these. Yeah.
Here's the deal. I got these 2 identical skyboards for us to use, right?
Whoa, his voice is so weird.
Time to prove who's the best. Is that a polarizer attached to your dark matter acceleration?
Oh my god.
So it is. Man, I never really noticed it before.
You cheater.
So what do you think, Ryan? You want to give it another go?
He's a dirty
I'll give you
cheater.
the polarizer if you beat me.
But then wouldn't we be cheating? What's the point, like of getting it if it's only for this nonsense? How do I do this? I don't even remember. I can't even remember how to do this, guys. What are the controls? Okay, circle flies. Cool. Whee! Get out of here. Oh yeah, this is a really weird thing. Well then. Oh, why do I go so far back? That's lame. Ah! Wow, this is useless. Alright, okay, I've got this. I'm gonna catch up. Don't worry, guys. I haven't lost just yet. You ain't seen... Oh, what an idiot. Oh, yeah. I got this. I got this. Wait, I'm first? Really? How did I get first? I don't understand. What were they doing? You just gotta fly over everything. It's easy. There we go. And just top up your rocket boost. Oh. I don't know where I'm going. And it scares me. This is horrible. Whoa, my god, I don't like this. Not one bit. Ah! Oh my god, that was awful. Why is that a thing? Why is this part of the race a thing? How many laps have I got to blimming do? Oh, 2. Okay, that's not too bad. For God's sake. That was awful. Whoo! Huh, cool, right. It's okay. Alright, I don't care if I'm hitting all the fast ones really that much. But that's not even slow. What? Oh, for God's sake. Why does it take you so far back? I don't get it. Huh. Damn it! Oh! Okay, alright, I got it this time. This is the time to shine! Alright. I mean, I was 4th here last time and I died twice, right? So, it's not all bad. It could be worse. I mean, I could be not first, which I am. Yeah, take me far back. It's fair. You just skip over everything if you're clever, like me. Alright. Do that. I get scared when I use it and it goes blue because I feel like blue is... Because it's changed colour, I feel like it's telling me you're running out, but in fact I've got quite a lot left. Look at that. Skipped over a bunch. Are you impressed with me? Oh no. Oh no, I'm scared. Go down the hole. Yeah, I'm doing it. I'm just gonna fly all the way over here. Screw it. Whoa. There we go. I think I got it. Don't speak too soon though. You know how things can go wrong. This is loser quest after all. But I did it. It's easy. Easy peasy. Yay! I did a thing.
This stupid piece of junk never worked right anyway. Magnets change polarity so that they either push or pull when you... Never mind. Thank you, sir.
Are you saying he's dumb, Clank? Is that what you're saying? What do I get for this? Just bolts. Like, what's the point? We're done here. We don't need to do any of that nonsense for bolts. Have I bought a weapon yet? I think I have. I must have. Alright, we're done. For today, I might leave it there. Yeah, let's leave it there. And then next time we'll carry on. I don't know how much more we got, but it shouldn't be too long. And we'll be done with this game pretty soon. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you next time, where we will beat some games. Bye-bye!